Jai Hind India's future. How are you all? I hope that you are all well. Today I will know some word which is useful for speaking English through storytelling, because storytelling is very important and self talk is also very important. So I talk self, and I I tell I make video through, and it's also self talk. So English, in English self talk is also important, and many things is important. Yeah, like yesterday is- I I knew about rather I know, and it word is useful and use in sentence, like I tell when IPL was going on, then after toss referee talk every talk both captain and he asks a, cap, a captains today who all include who all will include in your teams, and they tell they tell and they use rather than, because I one day I was seeing after toss when uh, when referee and captains talk each other. So I was listened, and match was I didn't remember, but I can say Subman Gill. Do you know Subman Gill? And he use rather than, I at that time I don't know what is meaning, but I today uh, and I know what is meaning, and for this for this word we can use for telling our expression, and for an example, like uh, I would rather I would rather watch movie in PVR. So and like sentence we use daily, like when we go to other place, and that place you not like you don't like this place, but you should then you can say it is I would rather to visit other place, because this place is not I don't like this place. So you can use this word, and you can tell express our feelings, and you can tell like uh, I go to library, and when library's owner ask ask me for fees, then think I think I uh, I would that I had studied at home, then I I haven't to give fees. But if someone ask me where do you like to study, I can say that I would rather study at home. So it word is useful for speaking, and for I am telling a story, because I don't uh, remember a story, and I but come what may, I will make a story, and I use stories, because practice according to me practice is very important for speaking English. And yesterday I also made video at this type sentence, and I use, but when I speak story I don't use sentences. But when I speak randomly without story, without reading some things, then my sentence uh, started to repeat started to repetition it started to repetition. So it's not good, because uh, I have completed 4 months sorry, yes, I have completed 4 months of speaking, but I am I am speaking self. I am making video for. I have been making video for 2 months. Uh, yes, 2 months. No, sorry, first 1 month. I have been making video for 1 month. It's good for speaking because I now I feel like I am improving my English speaking English. So and I prepared government that is very important spoken English. Without spoken English we can't qualified we can't we we want uh, clear uh, interview because there is a important there is English very there is very important of importance of English. So I can say, but there are many places English is very important, and uh, I can I tell uh, English where is important of importance of English. If you uh, if you prepare for NDA, CDS, on Air Force, there is a very important of English because when will you clear written exam, then you will have to give SSB, and in Air Force phase 2 GD there is English important. Without English we can't understand, we can't clear. So English is very important. That I know that is not my topic in this video, but I I try to speak some things, and I use because I want to become good speaker in English. So I speak, and when I think sometimes uh, what should what will people think about me, but I can say what anyone will say what anyone will. I will we we should focus on work, no matter people what do think about him or not, but we should focus on your own goal. But when I start to make video, then first I think, but when I start to speak, then without thinking come in my mind word and sentences, and I will speak I will speak. So I can I can say you that if you beginner in English, you have phone this time, and you can make video every day, and you can improve your speaking English, make storytelling, many things. If you prepare for Air Force, you should make video. Due to this reason I make video. And in India, and in India English is very important. Is a uh, there is a taken SRT PFT SRT there, sorry, SRT story making. When in group discussion and in interview, we will have to speak story. And when we, for this we will have to practice, and we should practice. And in village area there is no coaching for like this exams. So people face problem, and if people if suppose that coachings are present in village areas, so people can't purchase this batch because batch is very costly. So I kept, and if and you have phone, in phone there is many things present in phone. There are many things present in phone, so you should watch and you practice self with for making video. So I can say making video is very important, must making video must these days, because you speak, you will have to use word, and you, when you use when will you repeat word, you think I repeat, uh, we shouldn't repeat word, and then you gradually you will improve like me. I am improving and I am thinking story and I will speak and tell. No matter today I am not able to speak, but one day I will speak very fluently, and according to me, self conversation is important. Talking is important, and others we should talk other person in English. So and in English we we will have to sense, because in childhood we used to teach us only translation. So our mindset is translation. I go like the sentence, and she goes, and we when we speak English, when we start to speak English, then they think translation, they translate sentence. So we can't understand, we are not able to speak English, but we think, we should think sense, what is sense of this word, then we can speak English very well. So that's all. Jai Hind, thanks for my watching video, and I can say you should practice, you should listen English video, you should watch anyone. I don't say that you watch my video, you can see other people video. So that's all. Jai Hind, thanks for my watching video, and I request to you, you please tell my mistake, because I like mistake, and I am supposed to, when supposed to I am supposed to that when we know our mistake, when we improve. So Jai Hind, that's all.